How to permanently delete your Twitter account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how you can delete your Twitter account permanently. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up twitter.com and you'll get right here. So once you are on your Twitter, now you want to deactivate your account permanently. It's very easy to do. What you guys need to do is you just have to go to more option right here, and then in more go to settings and privacy. So it will open up different settings for you, and in your account you will find different settings and different options. The last option is going to be deactivate your account. So first settings, in settings your account, and then in your account we have deactivate. Click on this option and you can see what else you should know. There are some of the different things that are given here, and this is the deactivate option, which is like a red option. So you just have to click on deactivate, and after that you will confirm your password and your account will be deactivated. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.